When you first log in to use Piano Marvel, you should first set up your MIDI instrument. Please check to make sure that your instrument is MIDI compatible. Piano Marvel will work with any MIDI-enabled piano or keyboard. Your instrument will either have MIDI in and out ports like this or a USB-B connector like this. For MIDI in and out ports, you will need to have a MIDI interface cable. These have a USB connector on one side and two MIDI connectors on the other side of the cable. First, connect your MIDI in and out ports. You will connect the out to the in connector and the in to the out connector with most cables. If your cable says 2 MIDI in and 2 MIDI out, then you will want to connect the in to the in and the out to the out. Please make sure to get this step right because it's very common for people to get this part of the setup wrong and spend hours troubleshooting the connection. If your instrument has a USB-B type connector, you will need a USB-AB cable. These are also commonly referred to as a printer cable. These can be purchased at any electronics store if you don't already have one. Simply plug the squared end into the instrument and the rectangular end into your computer's USB port. When you connect your MIDI cable and turn the instrument on, you may see a device installation setup. Please let the driver setup complete before continuing. If the setup has an error, you should check for drivers from the manufacturer of your MIDI device. Once you have everything connected, you are ready to test. Select your instrument and the MIDI device that you plan to use. When you play notes on the instrument, the blue circle should flash. Click Next to configure the note range of your instrument and finish. You are now ready to practice thousands of songs from our ever-expanding library of music. If you need additional help setting up your instrument, please visit www.musicmarvel.com/support for the latest support information.